Hi guys, look here. I don't know if oh.
If the altar's where you meet us, take me there, take me there. If what you need is just an offering, it's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner.
Hi guys, so we just came back. It's been a whole long day. We just came back. That's baby boy on my back. He's feeling sleepy, so I have to put him there and soothe him a little bit so he can sleep. So I am in my salon. I'm doing some few cleanings and doing my last laundry because I have to clean the washing machine. I'll show you that. And I have to put the snacks away. As I told you yesterday, the snacks I get for my clients, so I will put them away and I'll show you how I do that, okay? And I have something dried in there. So once I'm done, I will be cleaning the washing machine, guys. Look here. I don't know if this will be clear enough, but I have to clean here. Ever since we got it, I haven't like cleaned or anything, like stuff like this, you know, stuff like that, like the glass and everything, you know. I have to clean all of that, and the dryer as well. The dryer's filter, it really needs like a good clean. Yeah, so that is the main thing I will be doing. Yeah, and we have a visit to make after everything, and I think that would basically for it for today. So let's pack the snacks, okay? Guys, I told you, he's knocked out. When he's sleepy, he'll be crying a lot. And it's so funny how motherhood is. When your child is sleepy, you know the kind of cry they cry. When they are hungry, you know. Like, it's so amazing how you can tell. So he was feeling that kind of way, and I wrapped him on my back end now. I hope you can see him. And there he is, sleeping peacefully. Oh my god. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna put him in his crib and I will come down and do the unpacking, okay?
Be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. If your glory wants to come in, let it fall. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire. You're the fire.
Guys, I am super sorry that this particular vlog is all over the place. I am sorry, okay? But oh my goodness. So guys, you know I braid, okay? And one time a friend of mine's cousin who also braids wanted to put me on this product, and I was like, do I really like it? Because I built a rack myself. Let me show you. So I built this rack myself, okay? I joined some braiding rack together to make it really full, like all the way up here to the down here. So whenever I have like 2 or 3 clients who are doing braids at a particular time, I just prep the hair. That will take me a long way, at least to do 2 clients. Without stopping in between the braid to prep extra hair, that would delay your time. So I built this rack right from scratch. I think I have the video like on here on my YouTube channel. Hopefully I'll put the link somewhere so you can see how I built this rack. This rack has saved my life. Okay, so when she decided to put me on this particular one, I was like, oh, am I gonna like it? Is it even gonna serve the purpose? I just opened the package from Amazon. Okay, it came like 2-3 days ago. I opened the package and I hooked it to a chair because this was the chair that it would fit on. I put it on it, hang some braiding hair on here, and I tested it. And guys, where have I been? I see a lot of braiders use it, but I'm like, I don't want to get rid of this rack. Let me show you something, guys. So this is the product. It's basically like designed in a finger form. I hope you can see it. In a finger. So it's like 3 fingers. Okay. So this is the braiding hair. And this is the thing here. I hope you can see it, guys. Let me bring it closer. Okay. So this is it. Okay. And I hooked it on the chair here. And you will hang the braiding hair on here like that. So whenever you want like to take a piece of the braiding hair, you just pull it to the size you want and you drag it over the finger. Okay, then you pull it like that, and there you go, you have your piece. So depending on the size of braid you're doing, you just, you know, go through it, you do this, and here you go. And this is gonna save you time, guys. If you braid, you understand this. It's gonna save you time. Where have I been? Like, this thing has been on for the longest I can think of. But I have been very skeptical about it. But looking at it now, it looks like it's gonna be my favorite. So, guys, you don't need to worry about like arranging your braiding hair and stuff, you know, on here. Because whenever I'm braiding, maybe 2 clients doing knotless braid or something, I have to make sure this part is full, and it also has the back, guys, see. So I did the front and back, so I make sure I load here and load that side. I also bought this one I also got this one also from Amazon. I think this is what I started using first, but it could not hold much. That was how I built this myself. Okay, and now this. Guys, I am super happy. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is gonna be great for cornrows, for knotless. Oh my goodness, I love this. I super love this. Oh my god. Let's go clean the washing machine and dryer, okay? Guys, look at all that dirt. I have never cleaned this machine ever since we got it. Though it's not so much dirty, but it needs some clean. So I will start off by making my soapy water, and I will also be using a glass cleaner to clean the surface of the top of the machine. And also I would be wiping away or drying it down with a microfiber cloth. Yeah, so let the process begin.
I wanna be consumed. Oh, I wanna be tried by fire, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire, yeah. take me there, take me there. If what you need is just an offering, it's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. If your glory wants to come in, let it fall. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. It's gonna burn for me to say this. It's gonna burn for me to say this, yeah.
Hi guys, so I am done and I feel so accomplished for doing this cleaning. I am super excited. So the last thing to do now is I'm gonna make some overnight oat. That's the thing I'm gonna prepare for tomorrow, and just eat dinner and we go out to visit that family friend. I will show you how I do my overnight oat. Oh my god, I did one last night, had it today. I mean, I do it my own way. I add my own, you know, stuff to it and I love it. Okay, I love it, I love it. All right guys, so I'm going upstairs to get done with the rest of the things, and yeah, whew, I'm dead. And I'm super happy. Thank you guys for watching till this far. If you have, please do not forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to the channel. All right guys, also let me know in the comment section, guys, how is your cleaning scheduled? Okay, do you do it once every week, or once every 2 weeks, or once a month? Let me know in the comment section. I am planning to have a fixed schedule for it to be done like once every 2 weeks. I think it's gonna help me with my busy schedule and everything. So I'll be doing it once every 2 weeks to stay consistent, okay, and make things clean around my surrounding. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go out there and see what I can do before we leave to visit the family friend I told you about. Okay guys?